You guys, welcome back to another CVS video. You guys, this is round two of CVS. CVS has been complete fire, you guys, lately. The deals are just flipping hot, freaking amazing. And so I am back at CVS, you guys. Now, the deals that I did on Sunday, I went ahead and went back and I did them across the board. I mean, CoverGirl, Persil. I had to do Persil. I love freaking Persil. Like, that's my top laundry detergent is going to be Persil and then Tide. And I've been getting so much Tide lately, you guys. And I've been getting these monster freaking bottles, which is crazy because I'm so used to getting like the 25 load, 32 load. Your girl been getting 64 loads. And I freaking love it though. But I did Persil, CoverGirl, and we did swab across the board. And so today I'm gonna do the what am I gonna do today? I'm gonna do the diaper deal because I think that's a really great deal. Even though I don't need diapers, they're super duper stupid cheap, and I have the rebates for it. It's like a triple stack, probably even a quadruple stack to be honest. And then I want to check out some of the toothpaste deals. I'm trying to think what else there was. There might be Neutrogena. There might be a little bit of L'Oreal. We'll see. Let's get the formalities out the way, you guys. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, dude, do your girl a favor. Do your girl a favor and subscribe. You know what I mean? If you are here every freaking time I post a video and you're not subscribed, I'm not the only one with that problem. Hit the subscribe button. Support your girl. Smash that like button as well. Ring the notification bell so that, you know, YouTube knows your girl is important. Like, I know I'm important. My boo thing knows I'm important. My sons, they know I'm important. Let YouTube know too, so they can be in the whole thing of knowing, be in the know of knowing your girl is important. And so definitely do that. But yeah, I'm gonna get in this store and see what deals we can get. And I will see you guys. I'll see you guys in the store. Alright guys, so this first deal that I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the diapers. No, I don't need no diapers. I hope I'm past diaper years times or whatever. But these do sell pretty good for me. So for this deal, it's on the Huggies as well as the pull-ups. They are buy one get one 50% off, and they're also spend 20 get back 10, which is always great anyways when you're getting back half of what you're paying. Not even including coupons or CRTs. So the first one's gonna be $13.49 and the second one's gonna be $6.74. Now we're gonna use $2 digital on the CVS app. That'll bring our total down to paying $18.23 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back $10 in extra care bucks. Plus we're gonna get back $2 for each on Ibotta, 3,750 points on Fetch Reward for what it's worth, y'all. And with them changing the conversion between points and gift cards, yeah, it's not 375 per se, and so it is what it is on that. And then $2 on the coupons.com app. You can either do coupons.com, I believe it's also on Alexa, and it's also on ShopMyum as well. And so that'll bring your total down to this being free plus $1.52 moneymaker. So this is what this receipt looks like. Pretty simple. We got the 2 pull-ups. Buy one get one 50% off. The $2 digital came off, and then I wrote $18 in extra care bucks, and we got back the 10 right there. I'm still pending on Ibotta. Submitted on Fetch Reward and got back $3.39. Then for coupons.com, it's still pending for $2 as well. And so yeah, it made this a really good deal. So let's see what else we can get into today. So this next deal I'm gonna try is on the Crest. So for this I have a 3 off of 18, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit that with 2 of these. I don't think I'll get close enough to use a 3 off of 18, but I do have $3 digitals off of this one here, which I've already gotten here, this one, and then there's also a $3 one off of this one here. So this is the one that's off of this one here, and then the other one is this one right here. Now I also have this 3 off of 2 attaching. I'm not sure if it's going to attach as well. Alright, so these are the 2 that I'm going to grab. They're both priced at $8.79. We have 3 off of, I'm not sure if this 3 off 2 is going to attach, but there are $3 coupons off of each of them. Where's the other one? Oh, and that's the other one. And then I have a 40% off as well. I'm thinking the 40% off should take off $2.31, which is one of these after the $3 coupon is taken off. So I should pay $9.27 and get back the $7, which will then make it $2.27. For both of them are $1.13 each. So I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna see if that 3 off 2 will attach as well, and I'll let you guys know. The other deal that I'm gonna grab is on the Colgate. For this deal, I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They're priced at $5.59. That total is gonna come to $11.18. Now for this, there is a 4 off of 2 digital. I'm gonna try to stack it with the $2 paper coupon as well, which would bring it down to paying $5.18 out of pocket and then getting back the $5, making it 18 cents for 2 or 9 cents each. So I'm gonna try this one on a separate transaction and see how that one works. Okay guys, so here was the first transaction with the Crest. I was really hoping that I would get all 3 to come off, but only 2 came off. It looks like maybe the 3 off of 2, and then one of the $3 ones came off. There goes my 40% off, which took off $2.32. And then I paid that out of pocket, $9.26, got back the $7. So it would have been nicer if all 3 would have came off, but it is what it is on that one. So that's how that worked out. And then the other one with the Colgate, this one worked out pretty good. So there goes the Colgate at the very top. I used a $2 coupon. It was one that expired yesterday, you guys. It's been glitching with the digital, and so I used that. There goes the 4 off 2 digital as well. I wrote $5 in extra care bucks, paid 0 subtotal, and then I got back the 5. So both of these transactions net me at $2.44 for 4, which is, let me just be honest, that's not as great, because obviously we don't pay for toothpaste, but it is what it is on that. And so let's go see what other deals we can get into. I'm gonna try this deal again, but we're gonna go ahead and get the cheaper ones. They had this one right here that was $3.99 buy 2 get back 4. So what 4 and 4 is 8 minus the 3 off of 2 and is it 3 off of 2? Yeah, 3 off of 2 and 1 off of 1. We'll bring that down to paying 4, getting 4 back, making that free. But this store's out of those, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the next thing, which would be this one right here, which is priced at $4.29. So we'll grab 2 of those. That total is gonna come to $8.58, and then we're gonna use both digitals that should apply, which will take off $4, and then we'll end up paying $4.58 out of pocket, getting back the 4. So I make it 58 cents for 2 of them, or 29 cents each. So this next deal that I'm gonna go ahead and grab is gonna be on the Johnson & Johnson. It's actually Johnson & Johnson and Aveeno. They are buy one get one 50% off, no extra care bucks back, but there is a $10 reward gift card deal when you spend $30. And so I'm gonna grab 4 of the Johnson & Johnson. So the first one is $6.59, and then the second one is gonna be $3.29, and then we're gonna grab for the Aveeno, the cheapest ones I see are $8.29. So I'm gonna grab one at $8.29, and then the 50% one will be the wipes right here, which are $4.99, and for that one it should come down to $2.49. So this is what we're gonna be grabbing for this deal. But I noticed that we have an Aveeno digital as well, so I wonder if that'll work with the $2 coupon. Because if this attaches to the higher priced one and then this attaches to the lower priced one, then it might work. And then I also have the 4 of 20, all right, that I'm gonna use. So if I don't count that digital, it would be $16.54 out of pocket. Let me see how much it would be if I count the $3.50. I would pay $13.04 out of pocket, and then get back the $10 gift card, and then 50 cents each, which is not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that and see how it works out. All right, guys, I totally had to dip out earlier and come back. So for this receipt here, I did the L'Oreal. I'll insert a breakdown of that deal, but basically it's buy one get one 40% off, and it's also buy two get back four, and then there's $2 rebates on Ibotta, and then $2 digital. So it made that a small money maker. That's at the very top. So there goes the Aveeno, the J&J, and then the we did Colgate again, and we did the Crest. Now my biggest thing was with the Johnson & Johnson and Aveeno deal was the $3.50 gonna come off? It didn't, because I didn't double check to make sure the wipes actually attached to the digital, which it actually didn't. So so I ended up paying, well, what I originally thought, minus the $3.50. But I'm gonna try doing this deal one more time, a different way, and see if it works out better.
But as far as coupons, there goes the $2 coupons off the Johnson & Johnson. I had a $2 off the Colgate. There goes the 4 off 2 digital on the Colgate. There goes the 3 off of 2 off Colgate. There goes the L'Oreal digital, the Crest digital, 4 off 20, and then I wrote extra care bucks, paid $206 subtotal, and then I got back 2 4s and a 5. So now I'm gonna try this a different way and see if we can get a different outcome. All right, so this is what this deal is gonna look like. So the total for this should be $32.19, and then we're gonna use the 4 off of 20. CRT, and then we're going to use the $3.50 off right here, and then we're going to use 5 of the $2 coupons, which will be a total of $14.69 out of pocket. Now hopefully the digital will attach as well, which will take off $3.50, and we'll pay $11.19 and get back the 10, which will make it $119 for all 6. We'll see what happens with the $3.50 off of 2 Aveeno digital.
Okay, this store is completely out of the whole blends. I was going to do this deal again. Originally, I was going to pass on it because we did this deal last week and it was a moneymaker. But even if you don't have the digital anymore, you can still use the 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. So 2 for $8 minus the 3, you'll pay 5, get back 4, makes them 50 cents each, which is still not a bad deal. So I'm gonna probably run this across the board if I can find them in stock, since they were on sale last week and again this week. And so I did find these on the other aisle. They were like on this standing little shelf right here on the other side, and these do work for the promo too. So they're 2 for $8 using this $3 off of 2 coupon, and I'm hoping that this does work on this. Bringing it down to paying 5 and getting back 4 will make these 50 cents each, which is definitely not bad considering these are the ones that are normally $8, $9 each. So so I'm gonna go ahead and check out with these 2 deals, and we're gonna see how it works out. Okay, so the $3.50 Aveeno digital, it did not attach even when I used the $3.50 printable. So yeah. So there goes all of our coupons. We used $2 coupons for the Johnson & Johnson. We used $3 off the whole blends, and we used $3.50 off of Aveeno baby. All right, so I rolled 18 in extra care bucks, paid $165 subtotal, so we paid $19.65, and then we got back 4 here. We'll get back another 10 for the gift card promo. Which brings it down to a net of 70 cents each, which is not bad. All right, guys, so here is my, well, let's be honest, it's not that little, midweek haul for you guys for CVS. I didn't go over Per Sale, CoverGirl, or Suave again because I did go over those deals in my video on Sunday. All right, so but yeah, if you want to check out those deals, go back and watch that video. I ended up actually finding the cheaper ones for $4.99. I had to go to 3 different stores, but we got that money on that deal. And then we had the 3 off of 10. I think I had 2 of the 3 off of 10 as well that I stacked with 2 of those transactions. This haul, you guys, I'm so happy that I went back for round 2. Because it worked out so amazing. I did Johnson & Johnson twice. Both times I couldn't get the $3.50 off of 2 Aveeno to attach. What else? And I think that maybe, I don't know, maybe because maybe the $2 coupons could have attached to that since the IP is Johnson & Johnson and Aveeno. That's a possibility, or just maybe it just wasn't. All right, as simple as that. I was happy to find a lot of the whole blends and the larger bottles because those ended up being a much better deal. I didn't go over the Huggies deal because I wasn't sure how it was going to play out. And so with that deal, it's the same deal as with the pull-ups. It's buy one, get one 50% off. It's spend 20, get back 10. And so what happened was yesterday I got some new offers on my Fetch account. I think one was for $2 and one was for like $3.75 or something like that. But it combined was $6.64 from Fetch. So I was like, oh, that's an awesome deal. And then I heard that some of you guys were having the Huggies glitch on Ibotta as well for $5 back. So I wasn't sure how that would play out. So I didn't play Ibotta into my numbers. It was just pretty much just going off of the $10 care buck and the Fetch kicks back or Fetch rewards back. So when I got back the $5 on Ibotta, it ended up making that a $4.41 moneymaker for the Huggies, which I thought was a really, really awesome deal. And then I did find a couple of the hand soaps. Buy one, get one 50% off. I think these were $1.49. So you'll pay $2.23, get back 2, which made those like 11 cents each. I only found 2 though. So if I can find more of those, I may do that deal across the board as well. So everything that you see here retails $372.49. We had $174.82 in CRTs, coupons, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $197.67. And then we walk away with a $151 in extra care bucks, 13 from Ibotta, $9.89 from Fresh Reward, which I know with the conversion, you guys, it's a lot less than that. I did cash out for a CVS gift card for, I think it was $1,200. Was $1,200? No, it was 12,500 kicks. So, I'm not sure what the conversion is yet for Fetch Reward. If you guys know, drop it in the comments, let your girl know. And then the Johnson & Johnson was $20, and then coupons.com was $2. So we're getting back a total of $195.89, netting everything at $178 for everything. This is 74 items, are 2 cents each, you guys. Can we just say free? Can we just say that? 2 cents each. Does that qualify as being free? Does that? That's free. That's free for me. All right. I'm gonna say that's free. All right. Tax is a whole nother story. Tax on this was $32.60. It's a monster, but it's okay because we got all of this goodness here. So I'll leave it there. As always, you guys have the most amazing day whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.